Hi, this is Dr. Erdoğan by Smile Hair Clinic. Today I wanted to share with one of the patients that we did in 2022. So I would like to talk about what we did for him and what's the result to him. He's 32 years old when he admitted to our clinic and we did his surgery with 4,700 grafts. He sent his photos from home to us, so let's start with them. Then I will show you some of the clinics. This is the point I think I'm also mentioning every time, that the photos that you send to us and the photos that we check in the clinic sometimes could be different, and it could be different planning as well. These are the photos that he sent to us. He has a high hairline, as you see, receded, very thin in the front, some hair loss in the mid scalp and in the crown area too. Not very visible, but I think the clinic photo shows us much better detail with that. So let's check the clinic photos that we take. So frontal part, mid scalp he needs definitely, and the crown area too. Okay, so we did his hairline. Let's check with the planned photos right now. With this kind of patients, we always wanted to take the highest possible because we want to concentrate more on the dense areas. That's the reason it's not very low. Yes, I accept that it's not very low, but it should be on the same level that we want with the patient. We always decide these things together with the patients to choose the best hairline for their planning, for their donor area, and also for their face as well. So when we are talking about the planning, he needs the temple part, we need to restore the mid scalp and the crown area. So this is the photos after the implantation. You can see that we try to be more concentrated on the both temple areas, especially the right side. It's from the right side appearance, it looks good, density looks okay. Also from the frontal part, you may see nearly 2,800 just for the front, some transition, something around 1,000, and for crown the remaining grafts used. Okay, let's check how it appeared after the 13th day. Usually patients are curious about how they appear after 2-3 weeks. Usually the ones that we transplanted will be growing, and the remaining grafts will be the existing hairs also will be growing too. Sometimes, according to the patient's skin color, there is some sensitiveness, some redness. In this patient, we can't see too much because it's very darkly taken photos in the home, I think. But let's check the 1 month photo. As you see, he looks like his previous condition. It's also not very good with the light, so we can't maybe understand and notice his progress, but in the other mounts we can see better because there is better lighting. In the third mount you can see that it's a little bit growing in the frontal part. It could be different with the existing hairs growth and the new ones, because new ones will be after the third or fourth month we expect it to be grow. Uh, he's sent from the sides, it looks very good. His donor areas start to be healed in the left side or in the right side, as you see. The crown area is uh, getting more covered within time. It will be more within the next 6 months maybe. It is a little bit delayed than the frontal part. And if you look the frontal part from up, you see that both sides is started to be getting denser. Okay, now this is the 6 month photo. Better lighting, better photo taking, so it's much more prominent and noticeable in the frontal part that he has a good growth. Even now, I think the patient could be happier with the result. The side, the next side, crown, yeah, donor area seems very good from here, but it's very darkly taken photo, so it could be not visualize the final result. So let's take the 12-month photos. From front, it looks very natural, very good. It is also mixed and blended with the existing hairs, so I think it looks okay with now. When we look from the top, we can see that both temporal part is filled with the right graft. Also, the right side appearance and left side is good too. Um, Now I think this photo could not give us the final result of the crown, but it looks okay, I think. And this is the donor area. Also, it's healed very good. I think the patient is happy with us according to the feedbacks that we take from the patient, and also we like the result of him in the end of the 12-month result. If you still have some questions about this patient or other questions, please let us know and write under the review, so we will be answering them shortly. Thanks so much for watching.